Open this. I have a really shitty wine opener, by the way. That was pretty smooth. Usually I break the cork. It doesn't come out. Like, usually this is a disaster. Oh wait, is it a disaster? And I just, oh, it's not. Oh my god, nice. That was a lot less painful than I thought it was gonna be. What is happening right now? Fuck. I got some chicken breast and I cut it up. You just want to dump this Lori's teriyaki sauce. Do you guys see how easily distracted I am? It really is a problem, but at this point I'm trying to learn to embrace it, try to pay attention. You know, that's all we can do is just try our very best. Is this my best right now? Probably. Probably. Fuck, that's good. Oh my God. What are we doing? We're making dinner. See? Paying attention. So yeah, this has been marinating for a few hours. Missing the rice. Oh, okay. I'm sure this is probably like the worst rice of them all. The minute jasmine rice. It is my favorite box rice. I'm gonna start making this. When my kids put stuff away, they don't put it where it goes. I'm glad we're hanging out, by the way. Okay, so I wish I was one of those people that could just like put the water and rice in, but without measuring, I can't. Like, I'm not that person, you know? I need lots of direction. Oh shit. I also probably need an adult. Fun times, fun times. Hold that thought. We're gonna put the chicken in the pan. All right, so I'm going to take some olive oil. Boom. Do some cool art. What is that? What do you see? I don't really have the energy. My dogs are tripping. I learned is that if you do not have fun, this is really dark. You do not have fun doing the most mundane of mundane shit, like, you're gonna be miserable in life. Dishes, laundry, vacuum, you know, there's this like routine that we kind of get stuck in, and I think routines are great and I'm all for them, and I cannot not be without a routine because they are routines, and because what is a routine? It's just a habit over and over again. Doing all of that mundane stuff, you have to have fun with it. You have to. You know, the one thing that I just don't know how to have fun with is laundry. I just can't. I'm not there yet, guys. Do you ever feel like you look like a completely different person from every like angle below and to the side and above you? Like, I feel like I look so different every little, I don't know. I don't want to take up too much space in the pan, so I'm gonna do 3 at a time. So once these are done, take those out, and then I'll cook these 3. If I don't clean as I go, it really stresses me out. Hello? Oh, hi, Cindy. Oh, yeah, that's fine. I'm going to take some onions and asparagus, and I'm going to stir fry those, and then I'm gonna dice the chicken up, and then mix the rice, the veggies, and the chicken all together, and that's basically it. I love so much about like video and all that. My camera's gonna die. pile of all of her clothes, and we're gonna go through them. And there's some stuff in here that I know doesn't fit her anymore, so I'm gonna donate some stuff, and I think it's gonna be time for some new clothes.
Yay!
All right, so what are we keeping?
I have to keep this.
I know that doesn't fit you anymore.
Yes, it does.
Let me see.
I like it.
No. We can give this to Brookie.
And I'm keeping this.
Don't mean to rain on your parade, but I'm a star.